This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, June the 4th, 2015. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a disturbance in the Carolinas. We have another one moving into the Intermountain West and the West Coast. A couple of disturbances in the high plains as well, and those will be producing some showers and thunderstorms out there once again, and those will be moving into the state as well. Our chances are still fairly slight for most of the state, however better chances over the western and southern counties of the state. It'll be somewhat cloudy today, some peaks of sunshine, highs in the 70s to lower 80s. As we move into tonight and into Friday, though, the shower and thunderstorm chances will increase. There'll be quite a bit of precipitation. Friday looks to be somewhat wet, not all day long, but even without the shower and thunderstorms, it'll be mainly cloudy with highs in the 70s to near 80. Friday night and early Saturday, there'll be a slight break, especially in our eastern counties, but unfortunately another disturbance is coming in for the weekend, and this means more showers and thunderstorms possible. The eastern counties could get a break Saturday for most of the day, but unfortunately those eastern counties are going to get it on Sunday. The western counties will get it mainly on Saturday, and maybe they may squeeze out a few hours Sunday afternoon with some drier air, but don't count on that, and highs will be in the 70s to near 80. And even into Monday, the shower and thunderstorm chances will be around, but I think they'll be fairly slight at best. Can't rule it out though, but there'll be some sunshine around with highs around the 80-degree mark, give or take a couple of degrees. Going into Tuesday, most of the shower and thunderstorm chances will be well to our south and to our east, and you see from the state west, very little precipitation, so we could see a couple of dry days going into the middle of next week. You'll see here as we look at Wednesday, showers and thunderstorms to our south, moving off the east coast. A couple of showers and storms building up with orographic lifting here in the mountains on Wednesday. Into Thursday, though, the next disturbance is beginning to approach, moving through the northern Rockies, the high plain states. You can see a bit of a ridge taking place over the south and east. That's going to start to bring a southerly flow around it. It's going to bring the moisture back up. Showers and thunderstorms will probably break out once again by late afternoon next Thursday, and this may last into Friday and possibly even into next Saturday, so it could be rather interesting toward the end of next week, while early week next week will be fairly dry. Going into the extended period on June 15th, the main jet stream across the northern tier of the country, bit of a ridge across the south. It's a weak ridge, however, but it's going to keep a lot of the systems across the northern tier of the country, and as you see here, one is going to be moving just to the east of the state, so we could see some slightly cooler weather for a day or two period during this part of the middle of the month. Showers and storms mainly in the east and across the high plains as well. And then at the end of the forecast on June the 19th, fairly vigorous system looks to be over the high plains. Of course, this is more than 2 weeks out, so don't expect this to be on the very next run, but it's something to look at. Ridge over the south and east with this vigorous system, and with that vigorous system, showers and thunderstorms will be possible, especially in the high plains, the Dakotas. That could move into the state maybe in a day or two after this, but that's still more than 2 weeks out, and we're not really looking at that at this point, but it's something to look at for possible trends. Speaking of a trend, the satellite image from last evening is showing quite a bit of showers and thunderstorms. That's been a trend across the plains, back into the northern Rockies and the high plains, Black Hills area. The system, an upper level feature off in the Carolinas, that'll be slowly moving off away. A couple of clouds off the west coast, but nothing to worry about. Watch warning map from last evening was fairly quiet. A couple severe weather watches in the high plains back into Wyoming. Some flood issues across Missouri, Kansas, back into Wyoming. And elsewhere, it was fairly quiet at this point. QPF chart, though, it doesn't look very quiet. This is rainfall for the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall around here about an inch, maybe heaviest over northeastern Kansas, with some precipitation pretty much elsewhere across the country.